Where are you going? Jesus Christ. I saw that guy start coming down the hill and I'm like, here it comes, I smell it. More content for my YouTube channel.
Like, oh, you don't live here, like,
oh my God.
Might not actually be eligible. So maybe that is the reason for that bridge. Yeah, and then you want to...
Great driving!
Okay, so
very good.
Kicked off the ballot. Who they kicked off fairly?
Hello there.
And that's what...
Nice parking spot, asshole!
Okay, you can't substitute your judgment for something.
What the fuck? What was that? What was that? What was that?
United States and saying, you tell us where and in what states we need to direct our messages. But, you know, there will be no consequences.
Now,
Wrong way, shit biscuit!
This is the guy who decided to shape the seat packs to and this is on the day after the election. It was obvious to Trump's team.
Oh my God. That's a great place to park. Good job. Oh my God. Did the cop actually say something to them? Yes. Why is there an entire row of cars parked here? Wow. Fuck the bike lane, I guess. Nice parking spot, Dingleberry. Very good.
Yeah, and whatever one.
Okay. I guess I'll go for that gap up there.
Fine. I was just thinking, I've got pre-check, and I was like, oh, isn't the pre-check one some other? You basically have to walk somewhere else anyways.
Yeah. Dude, you're in the middle of the street. Come on, man.
He's gonna make the YouTube channel.
Yep. Good job. You're in the street. Yeah, let's just stop in the middle of the road. Busy airport area. clearly don't. Oh.
He is barely my assholes.
Yeah, he didn't learn how to play basketball.
Yep,
They take
yep,
stuff here
yep.
and they like
Still someone
try
here.
to force a character onto him, like they're cleaning up before parents get home. Oh yeah, no, my dad never taught me to play basketball. He always wanted me to be a priest, and by the way, his name is Jeff. And I was just like, hey, guy, what guy? There's 11 minutes left in this movie. Right. You had an hour and 15
You can't park here.
To give this character a personality. You can't do that now.
Fuck you. Maybe take it.
Yeah. That's why I'm waiting on you to move. Okay. Cool. You still can't park here. No, you really think that? You really think you can park in between? That means this whole block you can't park here. She really thinks you can park in between no parking signs. That's special.
Brown trans-living poop minds Jesus. Is he talking about the documentary? Is the documentary still making the bad?
No, it's been like Netflix, even the show that Netflix did where the Christians turned out to be blood-sucking vampires was too nice to them. Yes!
Nice parking spot.
Blood-sucking vampires. Yeah.
Now,
Jesus.
unfortunately, this is a first-of-its-kind story, so we can't look at these.
Sidewalk's on your left. Bang! Too much fun. Hey, that's a cool bike you got there. Oh my God. Not you, them. My God. How is that okay? It's not.
So in other words, there would be some hope that if the ALJ's opinion is, well, I can't rule out any of this because of the
Excuse you. It's not your
there would be
turn.
some hope that subsequent courts would be like,
Stop sign. Go. Appreciate you being careful, but there's no stop sign. Yep. Tell me about it. Oh my. Not your light! Jesus. He was doing that confidently. What? What? What are you looking at me? I'm just walking against traffic.
Andy, P.S. James, Ada, Stacy, J.A. John, Senior Paquistas, Brandon, Brittany,
I guess red lights don't matter.
and John. Dustin, Tresson.
But yeah, it's a city ordinance. Kind of the same thing that they, for like a, you know, quote unquote regular like W-2 job, like you have to have overnight, you have to have 10 hours in between your shifts.
Gosh. Oh,
Yeah.
interesting. Is there a limit? Is there a limit in how many days?
How many like days a week?
Yeah.
No.
Just you have to be able to sleep in between.
Yeah. This is a great place to park.
Wow. This is
Really
like
tired.
really taking your sweet ass time.
Thank you. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm inconveniencing you.
Convenience you were. Asshole.
Every day.
Imagine driving in this city. It just becomes more and more of an adventure.
It's an adventure every damn day.
Probably see some shit, man.
Yep. If you are curious to see what kinds of shit I see, you should check out my YouTube channel.
Oh my gosh.
Yep.
Oh, no way.
Salty. I love the word salty. This is great.
Right? It's like I'm not angry, but I will get
You're
salty at
just a
things.
little
Like,
salty.
come
My
on.
best
What are you
friend
doing?
back in Minnesota, you started using that word all the time because people in Minnesota like aren't, you know, no one's angry about anything. We're just passive aggressive.
Yep.
And salty when we're secretly angry. This is super cute.
Oh, run! Oh wow! Everyone's running red lights. Jeez.
Let her mercy.
That too. Jeez.
Our night's just getting started, my
Yeah.
friend.
Yep.
So is your night gonna
I mean, so yeah. So if you want to either pull into Spring Street if you don't feel good about doing a UE, that's fine. Or,
That is always the question here.
yeah.
There's.
I mean, if you could pull into the
Yeah.
Spring Street, that's probably the best because there's a little pull in there.
Yeah, that works.
And I always try to come here to get picked up because it's a lot easier.
Yeah, trust me, I can't wait for this all to be done and
Yeah.
the actual places we're supposed to park.
Oh yeah. All right. Well,
All right, we'll take care.
You too, buddy. If I can't get myself out of here.
You're good. You got it.
There you go.
Take care. No. Okay, good. We're turning around. How do directions work?
Means everything you do is always some obvious way forward. Everybody else can see that you do that.
Hey,
Older. Sentence my DNA.
Hi, do you mind if I sit in the front?
we can't have people in the front seat.
Okay.
I'm glad you waved at me. I was about to park in that spot.
I saw you tried to do a head-on collision with the guy too. It's like, oh, well there we
Not
go.
on my watch.
But he wants to have a head-on collision with the guy going the wrong way. That's nice.
Oh, over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. At first I was like, wait, what do you mean? Oh, okay, you saw
Yeah,
that.
I watched that.
Yep, I don't know what it is the last few months, but I catch everybody going the wrong way down streets.
Feeling good about the midterm? No. Feeling good about American politics right now? Think it's gonna go good? Think it's gonna be great? Fuck up a sure thing. It's Donald Trump. So, at least we got that going for us. It's fair.
Yeah, we're gonna get to it. He's really fucking up all the time. Yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah, sure, leave that much space.
Almost certainly more liberal. The better news is
So you're the salty Seattle driver.
Yes. Things like what you saw me getting getting to people who excuse you. See shit like this.
Wow.
Just happens all the time.
I get that he's bigger than you, but still.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very good.